Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to implement a linked list in Java. Okay, so in here we have a linked list and I want to implement the linked list in Java. So at first I have to import the linked list. Import java.util linked list. Okay, and in here I have to make a linked list. Linked list L equals to new linked list. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add some, let me print out the linked list, it's empty. I want to add something to the linked list. It's empty, right? I want to add something to the linked list. What if I want to add, I don't know, my name and add my profession? What if I want to add all this? Now, if I run it, I have both. So what if I want to, I don't know, only add, what if I add an integer in here? Okay, what if I add an integer in here and then I run it and it has no trouble putting an integer next to a string. So it's a very flexible bit data structure. It's accepting any data type. So what if I make it exclusively for, you know, make it exclusively for strings. And then now we're getting a red squiggly line in here. It can't be an integer. Okay, it has to be a string. So I'm gonna go back to this. Okay, and now if I run it, okay, so what if uh, okay, now we're getting to 8. I don't know. What if I want to put 12.9? We're getting a squiggly line. It has to be an integer. And now what if I want to remove something? Okay, if I want to remove it, L dot remove. Okay, what happens when I remove it? Okay, so the first one got removed. And what if there are more elements? There are more. Add, I don't know, 13. L dot add 14. L dot add 25. And what happens if I run this? Okay. So what if I remove something right now? Let's see which one gets removed. What if I remove something right now? Again, the first element gets removed. Okay. Now what if I remove something? Again, the first element got removed. Okay, now what if I want to remove, what if I want to print, I don't know, what if I want everything gone? Okay, what if I want to clear it? They have a method for this. Okay, these are built-in methods and they're very easy to guess what they're gonna do. So now we have an empty array. So what if I want to iterate something? I want to iterate this and then print everything nicely. Okay, not like this. Print everything nicely by iterating through it. So what we can do is we have to do it with an iterator. Okay, and um, L dot iterator. Okay. Oh, I think I have to import this. I have to import java.util.package. iterator there. I have to import this. Okay, so now we have a red squiggly line in here, and this is because I haven't used it yet. Okay, so what I have to do is, in order to iterate through a linked list, we have to it dot has next. Okay, we have to iterate it. We have to iterate it. So what happens is a linked list is like, okay, in here the linked list is like a bunch of numbers. In here the linked list looks like this. And what happens is that linked list is always linear. Okay, it has to iterate through the whole thing. If I'm going to find something in the linked list, for example, if I'm looking for 14, it has to iterate through the entire array to find 14. So it has a linear time. Linked list always takes linear time. Okay, so right now let's print this linked list. Okay, I don't know, it L has next. Okay, so what happened is that as long as it has next, this iterator has next, okay, it will keep printing, okay. So system out print it, okay. Now, as long as there is next, okay, so what happens at 15? There is none, okay. And at 15 it stops. So as long as it has next, oh, what is going on in here? It, yikes, yikes, it needs to stop, it needs to stop. Oh, yes. What am I doing? Oh, it's not gonna print that. Okay, it dot, it has to be L, it has to be it dot next. Okay, now it's gonna work. Okay, so you see it got printed, it worked. Oh, what? Why is it printing? Oh, 25 is the last. Okay, so it got printed properly. And what if we want to find 14? Okay, we want to find this 14. Like I said, it has a linear time. It has to go through 12, 13, and then 14. As long as there is next. You know, when there is nothing else behind it, it's not gonna go, okay? So we want to find 14, so we can use an if statement, okay? If it dot has next dot has next equals to 14, okay, equal 14, then we can say, I don't know, I guess 14 exists. Why is this giving a squiggly line in here? I'm curious. Oh, it's gonna be just next, not has next, okay? Just next. And the bad operand, what can I do about this? Instead of this, I could put equal, equal, equal. No, dot equals. This entire thing, dot equals 14. Okay, 14 exists inside the linked list. Okay, so let's see. 14 exists inside the linked list. Okay, so what if there is something that doesn't exist? Okay, 20. And there has to be an else statement. Okay, let's put an else statement in here and see if it exists. 20 does not, oh, not 20. let's concatenate. Okay, let's see if we're looking for let's just put 20 does not exist. I think I can make a variable and then concatenate it, but it's useless in this tutorial. I could put I could make a variable like like int check, okay, and call it 20, and then in here I could just say check and line check plus, what's wrong with my keyboard? Okay, does not exist. Okay, let's see if 20 exists. Okay. Oh, it's iterating as many times, because it is iterating as many times. So what if I want to do it just once, break? hmm So as you can see, this is a linked list and it's very simple to use. And it has a very flexible data structure. And there are other methods, built-in methods. All you have to do is put the dot, and maybe you want to add everything in this. Um, put a dot and then add all. That would be interesting. Let's see if I can add this. Okay, what if, oh, add a whole bunch of things. Add all doesn't mean summation at all. Wow. Add, I don't know, add all, like a huge, let me make another linked list and add it to L2 equals the new linked list. And yeah, so I can add some stuff to the linked list. Okay, L2 add, I don't know, 13, 70, L2 add 80, L2 add 90. Okay, so in here I could just add L2 to L1, and instead of doing all this stuff, let me print it out, see what happens. Okay, so system out print line, I just want to print it, okay, it dot next. Okay, and let's see, let's print it out. Okay, so it added everything from the second linked list. It added everything with the add all. And yes, what if this was in L2? What if L2 was a string? I don't think it would work. It would be interesting to check if it does, but I don't think it would. Okay, string and add cupcake, and let's see. See, I'm getting an error in here. When you do define what kind of a data type that you want, it becomes very strict on it. You can't just change it. So anyways, I hope you had some fun with linked list. I know I did. And please subscribe to my channel and take care. Have a nice day.